Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning. This is chapter number 3, water image. This is our lecture number 2. So beta, in this lecture I am going to tell you again about water image. What is water image? So here you can see the reflection of an object into the water is its water image. It is an image in which the left and right side positions remain at their position. For example, remain on the same side as they are in original figure, but the top and the bottom of the figures gets interchanged. For example, top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. So what do you mean by it beta? कि ये जो हमारी वाटर इमेज होती है, इस वाटर इमेज में जो लेफ्ट और राइट साइड वाली पोजीशंस हैं वो चेंज नहीं होती, जैसे कि हमारी मिरर इमेज में चेंज होती थी. इसमें क्या चेंज होता है? जो बॉटम पार्ट होता है वो टॉप पार्ट हो जाता है और जो टॉप पार्ट है वो बॉटम पार्ट हो जाता है. इन अ लास्ट वीडियो लेक्चर I had told you about the water images of alphabets, and today we will learn the water images of numbers. So let's start with an example. Now beta, example number 1. So here it is given number 2 and we have to see the water image of 2. So here options are given. This is water and here options are A like this, B like this, C like this and D like this. Okay, now we have to find out when we will see the given number 2 in water. It will look like option number D. How? We can see here this top part will become bottom part and bottom part will become top part. Okay, and it will look like this and it is in option number D. So here we will write its answer. Option number D is correct. Understood beta? Now we will do one more example of it. Now example number 2. Here we have given number 8 and this is the water. Now we have to see which image we will find out when we will look this number 8 into water. And here we have options like this, B option like this, C like this and D like this. Okay, now we will write its solution. When we will see the given number 8 in water, it will look like option number C. Here beta, you can see this 8. Top part is smaller than the bottom part. When we will see it in the water, how we will, it will look like? It will look like option number C, like this. Okay, so here we will write its answer that option number C is correct. Understood beta? Now I am giving you homework questions. In question number 1 is given. This is water and these are the options A, B, C and D. Okay, now in question number 2, 0 is given. This is water. Now you have to find out which image is correct. Okay, these are the options. Now in question 3, here it is given 9, water is given. Now you have to see which image we can find out when we will see it in the water. Question number 4, 7 is given and these are the options. Is it clear to you beta? Now 5. This 5 is given. Number 5, water and these are the options. You have to find out the correct option of the given numbers. Understood beta? Chapter number 15, water image. Lecture number 18. I had given you sums related to water image. So let's its solution. Homework solution. Question number 1. Here B letter is given and this is the water. Now we have to see the water image of this. So our options are A this B, this type of B, C, this type of B, and D, this type of B. Okay, and our solution is, now we have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet B in what. It will look like option number C. ठीक है? How beta? Ma'am has told you earlier that in water image our bottom becomes top and top becomes bottom. जो हमारी टॉप पे जो चीज होती है वो बॉटम पे आ जाती है और जो बॉटम वाली होती है वो टॉप पे चली जाती है. ओके, सो लेट सी हाउ वी विल लुक बी इन आवर वाटर इमेज. It looks like this. Okay, and it is in option number C. That's why option number C is correct. So here we will write option C is correct. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या डिफरेंस है बेटा? हमें ऑलमोस्ट ये सेम लग रहा है, बट जो ये ऊपर वाला बी का पार्ट है ये थोड़ा सा स्मॉलर है नीचे वाले बी के पार्ट से. ओके, और ये हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर सी में है. ठीक है, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. दिस इज बी. ओके, और बी को हमें वाटर इमेज में देखना है. ऑप्शंस आर ए like this, B like this, C like this, and D like this. Okay, now solution. Now we have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet B in water. It will look like option number D. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखिए हमारा जो ये पार्ट है बॉटम वाला वो टॉप में चला जाएगा और जो टॉप वाला है वो बॉटम में आ जाएगा. एंड इट इज इन ऑप्शन नंबर डी लाइक दिस. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, F. Now we have to see the water image of F and our options are A like this, B like this, C like this, and D like this. Okay, so now we have to do its solution. Now we have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet F in water. It will look like option number C like this. So let's see. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं बेटा F जो है हमें इस तरह से नजर आएगा. ठीक है, yes. So option C is correct. So we'll write here answer option C is correct. Now question number 4. Here it is given alphabet N. Okay, and this is the water. Options are A like this, B like this, C like this, and D like this. Okay, now we will do its solution. We have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet N in water. It will look like option number B. Okay, so option B is correct like this. Okay, option B is correct. Now question number 5. Here it is given alphabet S and this is the water. Now we have to see what are the options given. Like this, B like this, C like this, and D like this. Now we have to see which option is correct. So solution. Now we have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet S in water. It will look like ऑप्शन नंबर ए। ओके, जब हम इस इमेज को इस वाटर में देखेंगे तो हमें इस तरह से नजर आएगी बेटा। क्लियर? सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। थैंक यू।